making around $500 or $200 on a daily basis, which we can flip based on the number of amount you're able to start with, is not something that you would like to die, something that you like to do. That means this video is for you. And if you're able to watch this particular video to the end, I'll be sharing with you two exchanges which you'll be able to explore to do this particular P2P arbitrage. So for us to be able to do this particular arbitrage, P2P arbitrage, you need two exchange. And the first exchange you need is to get a Bitget exchange and also a Bybit. So if you don't have Bitget and Bybit, I'll be dropping my link in the description of this particular video. Please kindly use it. So if you have downloaded this successfully on your mobile phone and you log in and you have completed your KYC, so the first thing you need to do is to come to this section over here. You tap on more, so you come down to P2P. So if you haven't watched my video on how to trade P2P successfully on Bitget and Bybit, I'll be dropping the video in the description of this particular video. Please kindly watch so that you won't get scammed. So let me just quickly do some certain things that you need to do. So now on our buy section, you could see that those people that created order here are restricted. So let's go to someone that can buy. You see, currently $1 around 1,502, and if you are to sell now, those you can sell for is around 197. You can see if you buy and want to sell, we'll be making a lot of loss. So that is why when we buy on Bitget exchange here, we'll be selling on Bitget, we'll be selling on Bybit account now. This is my Bybit account now. So the first thing you need to do, if you have performed your KYC, you have an interface just like this in my own. So you come down to the P2P section, you have to tap on it. Make sure you watch my video on how to trade P2P successfully on Bybit. So let's quickly make some adjustment. We tap on bank transfer, confirm. So let's just still filter so that we won't be selling to scammer. You tick all these, then watch something now. You could see that on Bybit, for you to buy USDT is around 1,512, which is quite higher from what we saw on Bitget. And for us to sell, we could see here the seller order is around 1,514. We could actually fill this particular order by coming here to Bitget to come and buy at, we'll buy at this particular price, then and we'll transfer the fund here and we'll sell 514. This person has a lot of orders to fill around 200,000 USDT. So you could continue to do this over and over again and just continue to sell to this guy and you just cash out thousands of money. In fact, you can do it in a day. So let's just go to our calculator. Let's say I want to start with 500 USDT. So let's go to our calculator to see the profit we'll be making. You can do it gradually. There is no amount of time that you can do it. So let me punch my calculator. Let's say I'm starting with 500 and on Bitget exchange is around 1,502. That means it will cost me around 751,000. So let's try it. Let's say I sell it at Bybit at 514. So let's minus. Now that means I'll be selling at 757. Let's say minus 751,000. That means I'll be making a profit of 6,000 naira, which is this one. That's a profit if I'm starting. So these are what I can do over and over again, and I'll just continue to say to that guy, you know, the amount of around 200,000 USDT. That's what the guy actually needs. So if I'm able to sell and fill his order, I'll be making a lot of profit doing this particular P2P. I think this is just the latest and nobody's actually talking about it. So if you are really helpful, please kindly like, share and click on the bell notifications. I want to watch my video on where I explain how to trade P2P, Bitget, and also on Binance, and also on Bybit. Please kindly check the description of the video. You'll be able to see it there. Thank you. Bye bye.